Hello everybody, my name is Carl Doig and I'll be teaching your first and second year chemistry course at the Okanagan College. So welcome. I'm out here doing one of my favorite things to do early morning, going for a walk in the forest near my home. It's an unusually wet and cool morning for late August. So the purpose of this video is to ask you to do 4 things before coming to your first class. So these 4 things are: 1, get your course materials or order your course materials from the bookstore. And you need to order from Kelowna, so you should get on that as soon as possible. The second thing that I'd like you to do is to take a look at the course resources page on our Moodle site. There's a bunch of information there, and I'll tell you more about that in the following minutes in the video. The third thing I'd like you to do is to sign up, register for iClicker. And the fourth thing is to take a look at the Chem Activity 1, Parts 1 and 2 videos. So I'll speak to each of these in this video, give you a little bit more detail. I hope you have an awesome semester, that you learn a lot, and I look forward to working with you this fall in our respective chemistry courses. Let's take a look at some of the things that I'm asking you to do before coming to class. So the first thing is to make sure that you have all the course materials, and that will involve ordering things through the bookstore. So here I am on the OC web page. I'm clicking on bookstores, and one of the things that you'll need under course materials, textbook search. Now, I'm not actually asking you to buy a textbook, but rather a course pack. So I selected Vernon, I selected 2024, I'm looking for chemistry. You'll look for our Chem 112071 course. If you select this and then click Go, you'll see the Chem 112 course notes. If you click on this, you'll see that these are available for purchase. So please order this as soon as possible so that essentially you have this for our first week and hopefully for our first lecture. Now I'm just going to go back for a minute and back again. So again, under Vernon, Fall 2024, under Chemistry. So first of all, we looked under the course. I'm also asking you to look under the lab. It doesn't matter which section, but look under one of those, click Go, and you'll see that the lab manual can be purchased from here. Now, as of the time of recording this video, the lab manual is not available, but it should be available soon. So do make sure that you watch for this, and I'll try to alert you when the lab manual has become available. Other things that you will need, and I'm looking now under Program Accessories, and here Lab Accessories. So you'll need to purchase safety glasses. There's a Chem Lab notebook here, but you don't actually need a hardcover notebook. So I'll show you in a minute what notebook would be appropriate. Lab coats, and so you can purchase a lab coat from the bookstore. And then under stationery, notebooks. You don't have to buy it from the bookstore, but you will need a spiral ring notebook like these for your lab. Okay, so these are the things that you will need coming to class for the first week and then for the lab during our first Monday lab. Now what I'm going to do now is bring down our Moodle course. So we are Chem 112 course. I click on this and I look at the introductory page. So, this is the first thing that you'll see when you open up your Moodle page. I'm encouraging you to take a good look under course resources. So here you'll find the syllabus, the long form, the simple form syllabus, and I'll print out a copy of the simple form and bring to class. Course schedule that lays out week by week the topics we're covering and various other things. Office hours, when I'm available to see you, which is actually quite a lot. I also want to point out to you that although I'm not asking you to purchase a textbook, we do have some online textbooks available for supplementary reading. And then here is a copy of the course pack. So it's less expensive to buy the course pack if you want to work from a hard copy, to buy that from the bookstore. However, some of you will be working with a tablet, for instance, and make your notes directly on PDF files. And so it's okay not to buy the course pack if that's your approach, and you can get the PDF files directly from here. So first thing, get your course materials. Second thing, look under course resources in the Moodle shell. Third thing is to sign up for iClicker. So in the email I sent you, there is a join link, and the join link is also found here under course resources. My recommendation is to download the iClicker app first onto your device, your phone. Once you have the app downloaded, then from your phone, click on the join code, either here in your Moodle shell or the join code that I've sent you in the email. That will automatically open iClicker in the app, and it allows you to easily enter into our course. I'm really hoping that you will have joined the course before coming to our first class, because I'll be using iClicker from day one. And finally, the fourth thing that I'm asking you to do before coming to class is you'll see here under the tab Chem Act Videos and Tutorials. So I click on this, Chem Activity 1, Parts 1 and 2, and the A stands for the fact that these are assigned. So part of the course, or I should say part of the material in the course, will be presented in video format. There are embedded in these videos question points. And so, for instance, I'm just going to start the video here and then move close to where there's a question point. Here we have the quick check 1. And so I'm just going to write in here, in the lab we will use, and the correct answer here is standard deviation. And down here we will use percent difference as a measure of accuracy. So I'm already giving that away for you. These are going to be important words for you, both in the lecture, but actually mainly in the lab. So let's check. Oh yeah, I got it right. Continue. Now, by the way, if you don't get the answer correct that first time, that is totally okay. Just try again until you do get it correct. If you're really getting stuck, just reach out to me. So you can see that there are other dots here. So there are questions to answer. And then right towards the end of the video, so I just want to try to catch it at the right spot, you should see a pop-up window. So I'm just going to wait. There it is. And so make sure that this pop-up window shows up, and then you click Submit Answers. And when you do that, it then submits your grade to our Moodle gradebook. So if you don't do this, then you won't get credit for having watched the video. So let's quickly review the 4 different things that I'm asking you to do. 1, get your course materials, or at least order them from the bookstore. Number 2, take a look under course resources in the Moodle site. Number 3, sign up for iClicker so that you're ready to use it when you come to class on the first day. And take a look at Chem Activity Number 1, videos parts 1 and 2. Answer the questions, submit them. I am truly looking forward to seeing you in our very first class. Bye for now.